Okay guys, so here we will discuss about antidepressants. So antidepressants, I will make a table. Here I will write the drug classification. I will write here examples. Here I will write indications. Here I will write side effects. So talking about, first we will take SSRIs or selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors, which are your fluoxetine. You know these drugs: fluoxetine, paroxetine, right? Fluvoxamine. These are your drugs that come under SSRIs, citalopram, sertraline, right? And indications are your depression, anxiety, or indications. And talking about your side effects, these sexual side effects, GI side effects, GI distress, agitation, tremors, diarrhea, serotonin syndrome, right? Serotonin syndrome. Then paroxetine can cause pulmonary hypertension in the fetus. So again, what is serotonin syndrome? This is an important thing you must know. So I am writing in a separate box about serotonin syndrome. So actually the fever, myoclonus, mental status changes and cardiovascular collapse can occur if SSRIs are used with MAO inhibitors, right? Monoamine oxidase inhibitors or other herbal medications. What I mentioned is that fever, myoclonus, mental status changes and cardiovascular collapse can occur if SSRIs are used with any other herbal medications or monoamine oxidase inhibitors. This is your serotonin syndrome. Okay, so let's now get back to our topic. Okay, next we will discuss about atypical antidepressants. So atypical antidepressants are your bupropion. Like we are talking about the examples of atypical depressants: bupropion, mirtazapine, right? Mirtazapine, also your trazodone. Okay, and this is obviously indications of depression, anxiety. Now side effects. Now we'll straight go to the side effects, right? Side effects is the bupropion will decrease your seizure threshold and has minimal sexual side effects, and these are contraindicated in patients with eating disorders and seizure patients. Mirtazapine, however, will cause weight gain, sedation. Trazodone cause highly sedating and also priapism, right? Causes priapism. What is priapism? Painful erection. Okay, so remember these points, right? And then we'll talk about SNRIs. SNRIs is your selective norepinephrine reuptake inhibitors, right? Serotonin and norepinephrine reuptake inhibitors. Okay, so SNRIs actually are venlafaxine, duloxetine, and used in depression, anxiety. And side effects of venlafaxine is your diastolic hypertension. Okay, diastolic hypertension. They're just side effects of venlafaxine. And okay, so next we'll discuss about TCAs or tricyclic antidepressants, which are your nortriptyline, then your desipramine, imipramine. So these are different uses, like they are used in depression, anxiety, migraine, headaches, and these drugs, desipramine, imipramine, they are used for your this one, enuresis. What is enuresis? Soiling of the bed with urine, right? So side effects are lethal with overdose, from cardiac contraction, arrhythmia to long QRS, right? Anticholinergic effects, very important. Anticholinergic effects like dry mouth, these are side effects. Okay, dry mouth, constipation, sedation. Okay, these all are side effects of TCS, right? So TCS side effects being the anticholinergic, dry mouth, constipation, urinary retention, sedation, all this. Talking about monoamine oxidase inhibitors and MAO inhibitors like phenelzine, selegiline. So these are used in depression, and side effects being hypertensive crisis with high tyramine foods like cheese, sexual side effects, weight gain, orthostatic hypotension, and like I mentioned, with SSRIs we may cause serotonin syndrome. Okay.